Friends, it is quite difficult to predict when the Earth will come to an end. However, it is a fundamental law of nature that everything that begins must eventually come to an end, and this rule applies to our planet as well. This isn't the first time life on Earth has faced extinction. It has happened before, as it did with the dinosaurs. These creatures ruled the Earth for 160 million years, only to be wiped out in an instant. So, can such an event happen again in the future? The answer is yes, it certainly can. The biggest question, however, is when it will happen. Many civilizations and religions have prophesied about an apocalypse or doomsday on Earth. On the scientific front, renowned physicist Stephen Hawking once predicted that Earth may become uninhabitable for humans within the next 200 years. Beyond this, there are various other predictions and scenarios that could lead to the end of the Earth. In today's episode, I'll explore the different ways the Earth might meet its end in the future. So, let's dive into today's episode. The first scenario. Our sun will bring about the end of the Earth. Friends, if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you might already know how a star dies. Let me quickly explain. When a star of our sun's size nears the end of its life, it begins to expand gradually, transforming into what is called a red giant. Eventually, it ends in a massive explosion known as a supernova. Our sun is also expanding slowly. It was formed about 4.5 billion years ago, and since then, it has grown 20% larger. Over the next 5 billion years, it will continue expanding until it reaches its maximum size, turning into a red giant. At this point, the sun will be 3,000 times brighter than it is today. However, this bright future for the sun could spell disaster for the Earth. As the sun grows, it will start engulfing nearby planets. By the time it reaches the Earth, life here would already have perished. As the sun grows brighter, the Earth's surface temperature will rise dramatically, causing the oceans to boil away. All the water on the planet will evaporate, leaving Earth as nothing more than a barren rock. Now, imagine the plight of humans living on Earth if this were to happen today. Fortunately, this is a scenario billions of years away. By that time, humans may have colonized other planets. However, it is also possible that the Earth might meet its end much earlier than this. And yes, friends, our sun is not the only star posing a threat to Earth. According to research by astronomer Philip Bursky, a massive star named Gliese 710, approximately 60% the size of our sun, currently lies about 65 light-years away from Earth. However, this star is hurtling toward our solar system at a speed of 52,000 kilometers per hour. In about 1.3 million years, it is expected to pass near our sun. While Gliese 710 will not collide directly with Earth, its presence in our solar system could pose a significant threat. The primary concern is its gravitational pull, which will drag along millions of asteroids and comets. As a result, Earth could face the risk of being struck by at least 10 asteroids annually on average. Imagine the devastation caused by just one asteroid that wiped out the entire dinosaur species. Now think of the catastrophic consequences Earth might face during such a period. Additionally, Gliese 710's gravitational force could disrupt the Earth's orbit. It might even push Earth out of its habitable zone, the region around the sun where conditions are suitable for life. If this happens, life as we know it would no longer be able to survive on Earth. However, all of this is still millions of years away. The bigger question is, what will happen to humanity in the meantime? What other challenges might we face in the next few thousand years? One event that could happen at any moment is an asteroid impact. Since the birth of Earth, asteroid collisions have been a regular occurrence. But we should be grateful to one thing that has kept us safe for centuries: the Earth's atmosphere. Asteroids do approach our planet, but as soon as they enter the atmosphere, they usually disintegrate. We rarely notice how our atmosphere protects us daily from countless small and large asteroid impacts. But have you ever wondered what would happen if, one day, a massive asteroid managed to pierce through the atmosphere and crash onto Earth's surface? How catastrophic would the destruction be? How terrifying would that scene look? Now imagine this. A 100-meter-long asteroid is hurtling toward Earth at a speed of 30,000 kilometers per hour. Once it breaches the atmosphere, it would take just 3 seconds to hit the ground. The impact site and everything within a 3-kilometer radius would vaporize instantly. For context, during the age of the dinosaurs, a 15-kilometer-wide asteroid struck Earth, vaporizing everything within an 800-kilometer range. An asteroid strike of this magnitude would shake the entire planet. Tsunamis, thousands of kilometers high, would rise and flood every coastal nation, submerging them underwater. The collision would also disrupt Earth's tectonic plates, triggering massive earthquakes worldwide. But the destruction wouldn't end there. These earthquakes would ignite numerous volcanoes, causing lava to flow across the Earth's surface. The asteroid's impact would send clouds of dust and debris into the atmosphere, enveloping the planet. These dust clouds would block sunlight for years, plunging Earth into darkness. Without sunlight, plants would wither, and agriculture would become impossible, leading to widespread famine. Eventually, humanity itself could face extinction as civilization collapses under the weight of these disasters. But while asteroid impacts are a potential future threat, there is one ongoing catastrophe that is already unfolding and gradually consuming our planet: global warming. Even if Earth manages to escape the danger of asteroids, its end seems inevitable due to this massive crisis. Friends, we all know that the temperature of our planet is rising due to global warming. The primary cause? Pollution created by us humans. Day by day, pollution is increasing, and with it, global warming continues to intensify. As a result, the ice at Earth's poles is melting rapidly, causing sea levels to rise at an alarming rate. This not only increases the risk of floods in coastal regions, but also poses a severe threat to the people and wildlife living there. Thousands of people lose their lives every year because of these effects. Additionally, global warming is disrupting weather patterns. Some areas experience extreme heat, while others face severe cold. Some regions suffer from droughts, while others see excessive rainfall. These changes are adversely affecting agriculture, leading to the destruction of crops and triggering food shortages. Every day, an average of 25,000 people die from hunger and hunger-related causes. If this continues unchecked, the scale of destruction will only grow. Massive tsunamis could engulf entire nations. Rising temperatures might make it impossible for people to step outside, and skin cancer could become a widespread and serious issue. Hunger would claim the lives of millions daily, and eventually, a time could come when no living being survives on Earth. So, what can we do to prevent this? First and foremost, we need to reduce our usage of petrol and diesel. To achieve this, we must increase the use of alternative energy sources like solar and wind energy. Additionally, we should promote afforestation. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping maintain the balance of the atmosphere. At the same time, we must accelerate our scientific and space research efforts so that humanity can eventually establish settlements on other planets. Friends, no one knows what the future holds. Whether or not Earth will meet its end is something only time will tell. Until then, enjoy your life, sleep peacefully, and keep watching educational videos like this one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. To watch more of our videos, click on the ones appearing on your screen. See you in another video. Until then, goodbye.